Welcome back. Let's now put the spotlight on the broader commodity sector. You just heard the outlook on sugar there. Manisha is here with us and she's looking at base metals because there's quite a bit of a move in prices there as well. Manisha, fill us in.
Thank you for that, Surbhi. Well, yes, if you look at the base metal prices, we've seen a mix to a declining trend come in here for this week with the kind of hawkish statements that we've heard from the FOMC. So I want to focus on copper, where we have seen the prices trade at around 1 month lows. A bit of an uptick right now, and that is coming in because of the decline in inventories as well. But the copper prices are trading now below $10,000 a ton. This is almost 11% off the all-time highs of 11,100 that we saw in the last week of May. What the markets are worrying about also is that the immediate demand for copper is really not there. If you look at the LME Copper cash, it's trading at a discount of almost around $128 a ton. So that tells you that immediate supplies are higher, the demand not so much, and is the reason we also have seen the cash for the 2 to 3 month also see a bit of a decline there. If you look at the overall LME Copper inventories, well, they have jumped up by nearly 22% in the last 1 month itself. That also confirms the fact that the immediate demand is not there in the markets there. If you look at the mining sector, though, that tells you that the maintenance of the mines has led to a decline in inventories there as well. Well, if you look at the global copper smelters, the 20% of that was suspended in May. Last year as well, there was a number like that, but at 15%. So we are looking at higher number, pardon me, for this year until now. Interestingly, with the way the metal prices and various commodities have been moving, the inflows within the commodity sector has been on the stronger side. So when you look at the month of April, the total AUM, the total net inflows was at around 5.7 billion, which only has grown to 6.7 billion in the month of May. So the way you look at commodities on a year-on-year basis in the last couple of years, the number has been quite on the higher side at $608 billion, standing in sense of AUM, in sense of commodities. The markets do believe that whatever you are seeing in sense of commodities in this week perhaps is short term. Going forward with the kind of demand estimates that the street is putting at, this number perhaps would only grow going forward.
How quickly do times change, don't they? Until last month, we were talking about $8, $9, $10, $11,000 on copper, and then suddenly now there is a lack of demand and prices are coming off equally swiftly. Manisha, thanks a lot for that update there. That was the update on copper. But time for a short break here on Trading Hour. Up next, we return and discuss market technicals with Nitesh Thakkar. He also shares his top trading bets on the other side.